So, you're interested in being a YouTuber, huh? Well, that's a great choice. YouTube is a place where people can express their feelings, their ideas into the world. YouTubers are just ordinary people, like me, like you. They upload videos and people watch the videos. It is a very interesting hobby, and if you want to make it into your career, you can try. But I warn you, it will be tough. Anyone could be a YouTuber. You could blow up. There is a chance that you could also do it. I believe in you. But you also need to believe in yourself if you want to be a YouTuber. So here are my tips if you're planning to try YouTube. I'm gonna give you some basic information so you can start out. I wish I knew this when I started out. When I started, I didn't know how to make videos, how to upload, how to do this, how to do that. So yeah, this is like a cheat in your game of YouTube. You're one way ahead of me when I started before. Number 1, I have to tell you this. You can make money on YouTube. How? Through monetization. But there's a catch. You need to beat 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in 1 year. When you're starting, just don't think about the money. Just be yourself. Once you be yourself and you create nice content that people would want to watch, you could generate income. Here are the ways to make money on YouTube. Affiliate links, merchandise, your own products, your own services, monetization by Google AdSense. There are endless ways that you could generate income. Another tip for you is that tech doesn't matter. When I started in YouTube, I only used my phone. That's all what I have. Technology doesn't matter. You could basically start your own channel right now through your phone. Right now, you have the possibility to make your first YouTube video. Just hit that record button on your camera and say, hey, this is my first video. This would be an example. Hey, this is my first video and please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that you could upload it on your YouTube channel. But if you don't have your own YouTube channel yet, you can basically search it on YouTube. How to make a YouTube channel. Just follow it and boom. If you're having trouble how to do this, how to do that, just use YouTube and Google. Like how to make a thumbnail. That. Okay, done, check. How to make a video, check. How to add description, check. It's basically step by step. As you try to generate content, you will learn much. So yeah, do research. But if you're basically starting out, you can do basic research, and then once you get the hang of it, you can do deeper research on how to beat the algorithm. What's the algorithm, you say? It's basically like a machine thinking something. Wait, it's getting confusing. Example, this is the creator. We YouTubers, we persons who make videos. These are the viewers, and this is the algorithm. The algorithm wants to find videos that viewers want to watch. So, when YouTubers generate their own content, the algorithm promotes it to the viewers. So yeah, that's how it works. But how to beat the algorithm? The two main things to make YouTube promote your videos to the viewers is A, click-through rate and watch time. What is click-through rate? Click-through rate is when people press your video because they said, an interesting video. They see your title and they see your thumbnail and they click it. That's the click-through rate. How many percentage of people that see your content click it? And watch time is when people watch your video, the more longer they stay in your video, the more watch time. The more watch time, the more YouTube will promote it to people. And you get more views and it keeps adding up, and then yeah, many people would watch it if you have high click-through rate and high watch time. But at the start, just don't think about that complicated stuff about the algorithm because you're just starting out. You just need to try to create videos. When I started out, look at my older videos. My very cringy ones. It's so embarrassing. One tip for you is that when you started your YouTube channel, your first videos would be the worst ones. So yeah, don't be ashamed of it. Just fight fear, punch fear in the face and upload your first video. No one cares about you. Don't be shy. It's just the world. When I started on YouTube, I was like, oh my gosh, my friends would see it, my family would see it, everyone would see it, everyone would hate me. But I uploaded it, and it only got 0 views. So yeah. And I continued uploading and uploading and uploading until I reached 32 videos. I uploaded 32 videos in my whole YouTube time. And I learned so much on how to generate quality content. I believe in this phrase. The more content you put out in the world, the more closer you would reach to your goal to become a big YouTuber. I have 2 channels, KZ Vinluan and KZ Animations. These 2 channels, my KZ Animation channel have 715 subscribers, while KZ Vinluan, the channel you are seeing right now, it has 6 subscribers. I hope I can level up my channel into many subscribers, maybe 100,000, but yeah. You just need to believe in yourself and continue uploading. Be consistent. Just do it. Make your dreams come true. Just do it! Okay? Just do it. Just do it. Make your dreams come true. I'm sure you have your own favorite YouTubers. Maybe they have 1 million subscribers or 100,000 subscribers. All YouTubers started from 0. They level up, they learn, and they create more quality content. As time passes, they learn. I have been 8 months on YouTube. It's been 8 months since I have started YouTube. It was on the pandemic and but it's a long story. Maybe I should make a separate video of it. Another tip, don't do sub for sub. I also went on to sub for sub and I really don't, it doesn't help your channel. What is sub for sub? It's like, example, wait. This is a channel and this is another channel. And then, hey, can you subscribe to my channel? Sure. He subscribed to this channel. But there's one trick. You need to subscribe. Wait, what? Hey, please subscribe to my channel. Sure. Yeah, subscribe and then subscribe back. Like they exchange subscribers. But please don't do sub for sub. It would only harm your channel. It would bring fake viewers. Numbers doesn't matter. True viewers matters. They are subscribers, but they don't watch your channel. They don't engage, they don't comment and share and subscribe and watch your channel. They don't love you, they don't care. So what's the purpose of sub for sub? Don't buy subscribers. You can buy subscribers with your own money, but there's another con on doing sub for sub. Once YouTube tracks that you are doing sub for sub, they can remove your subscribers or delete your channel. It's a huge risk. What if you have 100,000 subscribers and then YouTube learns that you do sub for sub and then they would delete the channel and all your hard work turns into nothing. So yeah, don't do sub for sub. I've learned from that. I've gone through it. I've also gone through it. If only I could pass this video in the 8 months old KZ before. If only there's a time machine. But yeah, time machine would really destroy time or the universe. I know. So yeah, do your research and all I want to say is I love you because you managed to reach the end of the video. Wait, don't click out first. Don't click away first. I just want to say that you can do it. Try your best. Just be consistent. And this could be your new hobby. There's nothing you could lose. It's basically free if you want to start YouTube. You have nothing to lose. All you got to lose is your time and effort. YouTube is a long journey if you want to be a high YouTuber. Also, if you enjoy my content, please subscribe. Remember to subscribe because I have more content in my channel. And smash that like button and comment down below because I really like people engaging in my videos. It's just like magical. It's enjoyable for me. So yeah, I need the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Thank you for watching. If you want more content, smash subscribe. See ya in the next video. Bye!